Today we will discuss about transit hazards, road, rail and sea hazards, and also the impact of the same on packaging material and products. Packaging is the last operation in a production line, but packaging forms an essential component of almost every manufacturing unit. Package evaluation falls into two parts: one, technical testing, and two, consumer evaluation. There are three major reasons for conducting tests on packages. A, to ensure that pack is satisfactory under all conditions. B, to control quality. And C, to modify or to improve or reduce the cost of the package. Testing can be divided into two main areas: laboratory testing and field trials. Field trial means send the packages to the destination by actual transport for feedback, and this process is very time-consuming. Laboratory testing is a shortcut to field trials. In the case of laboratory testing, the mode of transport, road, rail, sea, or air, or combination of these may be encountered easily. The level of damage can be correlated to different types of hazards. 1. Mechanical hazards. 2. Climatic hazards. 3. Others. Now let's elaborate a bit of the said hazards. 1. Mechanical hazards. Hazards may occur during loading and unloading, during movement inside the vehicles, in the warehouse, due to climate also. Let's discuss about some basic hazards. A. Impact. This may occur as vertical drop, horizontal drop, or vibration. B. Compression. Static loads on the packaging in warehouse, during transport, or squeeze clamps during loading, unloading. C. Puncture or tearing. This may occur due to use of hooks or projections, presence of other protruded material beside package. D. Results for throwing. E. Horizontal falls or horizontal damages. It comes from the vehicle stopping and starting. 2. Climatic hazards. This type of hazards occurs due to many factors: high temperature, which is exposure to sunshine, heating system, indirect exposure to sunshade, vehicles with poor insulation, high ambient air temperature, and many more. B. Low temperature. Exposure in cold climate, transport unheated aircraft holds, cold storage, etc. C. Low pressure. Due to change in altitude, particularly in aircraft, pressurization failure. D. Light. Due to direct shine or artificial lighting. E. Liquid water. Like fresh water, which is rain during loading and unloading, then flooding, then ship sweat, polluted water like saltwater spray on the dock. F. Dust. Due to exposure to wind-driven particles of sand, dust, grits. G. Water vapor, humidity, and of the atmosphere. 3. Other hazards. A. Biological hazards, like microorganisms and fungi, molds, bacteria. It happens because of moisture. If the moisture does not grow at less than 70% humidity at any temperature, then these hazards may be protected. B. Insects, ants, termites. High temperature, favorable for insect and termites attack. Below 15 degrees. Development is unlikely with max 70% relative humidity. C. Contamination by other goods, by materials of adjacent packs, strapping wires, bands, etc. D. By leaking and protruded contents of adjacent packs. Let's understand the effect of these hazards on the product and packages. 1. Compression. Due to compression while staking one box on other, the bottom box gets impacted due to transfer of force from top. It may result D-shaping of box, bursting of box, and also may damage the product inside. 2. High temperature. Temperature is a key factor to change the color or biological changes in the product. You may observe most of packs have a storage condition mentioned with temperature condition. 3. Light. Light also changes color of product and package itself. The chemical reaction, such as oxidation, causes rancidity, means foul smell in case of oily substances, specially fried products, and in pharmaceutical it changes the property of ingredients also. 4. Water vapor. Due to water vapor, the products become soggy. On the other side, low water vapor content can make the product hard. Example: soap, paint, nail polish, adhesive, etc. Dust. Many electronic items get damaged because of dust. Also, atmospheric dust in production line can trap dust on the printed surface. 6. Vibration cause serious damage to glass items, electronic items, etc. 7. Drop and impact. It cause denting crushes of fruits, cracks, and many more. Please stay tuned for the next information.